Hey there, green thumbs! Today, we're diving into the world of indoor gardening with a focus on one of my personal favorites, the peace lily. This flower is not only visually stunning, but also has some amazing benefits for your environment. But before we get started, let's talk about why you should consider growing indoors. Plants in general. Indoor plants are a great way to bring life into your home. They help purify the air and reduce stress levels. They can also serve as natural decor items that add a touch of nature to your living space. Now, onto our star of the day, the peace lily. These beauties are easy to care for and can thrive in a range of environments. They're known for their ability to clean indoor air, so they're not just pretty, but practical too. Here are some tips for successfully growing and caring for your peace lily. 1. Choose the right spot. Peace lilies prefer indirect light, so place them near a window where they won't get direct sunlight. 2. Water wisely. Allow the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so be mindful of this. 3. Fertilize occasionally. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer every few weeks during the growing season, spring and summer. 4. Trim if necessary. If your peace lily starts looking leggy or overgrown, trim off any yellowing or wilting leaves and cut back on any stems that have outgrown the plant. 5. Keep an eye out for pests. Although peace lilies are generally pest resistant, keep an eye out for spider mites and whiteflies that sometimes affect them. By following these simple tips, you'll be growing and caring for your peace lilies like a pro. Thanks for joining us today on this gardening journey. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more indoor gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening!